Okay, guys, I found out how to get Robux. This is part 3. We just got a trick here. You on the edge of 20 years. Give me something good. Hey guys, that hack that I was talking about. I figured out how to get it. It was just a fake tutorial, but I figured out how to get scripts. Not even hacks, it's scripts. I'm planning to give it to this mobile so they can have lots of stuff. Outside.